Let's see how to set up the bricks builder. I just installed a WordPress, just fresh, and I didn't touch anything. Even the welcome to WordPress banner stays. Okay. First, of course, we need to activate the license. Let me paste my license on the side. Save it. Okay. I activated it. And after that, this is a new feature. We need to go and set up the custom code settings. I usually only enable for the admin, and that's it. Save it. Oh, yeah, save it. Let's check that. And after that, we can dismiss this notification. It is very important. That's why it is huge. It is a really important feature. They just updated it. And after that, I set up the SVG upload to only admin and load the Gutenberg block editor data to the bricks. Maybe there is text, some pages we want to convert later to the bricks editor. That's that. And after that, if you want the custom bricks, you can enable this too. But bricks builder already comes with 4 brick points. I think that's more than enough for most cases. And I enable this too. Where is that? Yeah, expand active element and scroll into view. When we click on the side, the element on the list, it will show us the automatically scroll that element on the page. Okay, that's it. This is the first settings we need to make. There are other settings, but other than these 3 or 4 settings, you don't need to touch anything else really. And let's create a page. Let's delete the default pages because I don't need it. Okay, I'm gonna open on the new tab. Okay, let's call it home. Publish. And what? What? Did they change that too? Setting? What? This didn't come default. Did they change this too? I think we need to report this. I think it should be enabled in default. Interesting. What version is that? Interesting, latest. Anyway, we're on the page. Edit with bricks. Okay. And after you open the editor, just add something empty, save it, just in case. And after that, click on settings. This is the second settings we need to set up. Bricks Builder doesn't load any default styles. We need to create it. The moment we set up the builder, create plus, I usually call it default styles. This affects all site. Very important. Usually on the other builders, this comes default setup, so it already exists, most of the builders, but on Bricks Builder, you need to create it first. That's it, we created it, and the conditions comes automatically on the all site, all pages, okay? Before we have to set up this too manually. I think 3 or 4 versions before, this feature added automatically adds the condition for us, thankfully. And after that, if your design is wider, you need to set up this container. And if you have custom font, you need to select your font. Let's make it Poppins. I like Poppins. And you just need to set up this body. If you don't want to like make different font for heading, you can do it. But if you don't need it, just set up the body, and all of this will be Poppins. Okay, all of it. Even it doesn't show. It is all. Actually, let me show it. Let's test it. Heading. See, it is already Poppins. I can see it from the A. See, Poppins. Okay. And after that, let's check the theme styles. I usually set up like some of the animations, not the animations, but CSS transitions. For example, button. but all of the transitions comes empty. I usually make this like 0.5. So if I make like create a button and give it a hover, okay, let's give it something, whatever, save, okay. So now this has like transition in default. Otherwise, this comes empty, okay? Keep it in mind. And lastly, yeah, the Bricks Builder doesn't have like default, I mean, it has this colors settings, but you cannot add custom colors here, okay? For that, I usually use this method. I think they will update this eventually. But for now, for example, I want to add custom colors, right? I come here. It can be here, it can be here, it can be anywhere really with this icon. Click it, make your colors, save. Make your color, save. Make your color, save. Okay, you can paste your code too from Figma or anywhere. And these colors will be saved. Refresh. Now those colors saved on your theme styles. Not in theme styles, but like on your style. Because we cannot set up this on the theme style default styles, like I said, but I'm pretty sure they are going to update that later on. But for now, we can just do that. Okay, you can save your custom colors and you can delete it. See, when I click, let's click it again. This is default view. When you click list view, you can delete your colors. You can delete the colors that you don't need. Yeah, there's so many colors here. No, we don't need most of them. Maybe you just need 4 colors, 3 colors on your design. Okay, just click the list view, do that. And that's it. That's all the setup you need most of the time when you first install the Bricks Builder. Other than that, you can do anything else on the builder. Yeah, if you guys want me to make another tutorial, more advanced tutorial, please do comment and like the video and subscribe. See you guys later.